2011, a mother named Latoya Ammons moved into a small rental house on Carolina Street in Gary, Indiana, with her 3 children and her mother, Rosa Campbell. At first, everything seemed normal. Then the flies came. It was December. Snow covered the yard. But thick black flies swarmed the screened-in porch. Dozens of them, no matter how many times they were killed. An exterminator inspected the home and reportedly said it was impossible for flies to survive in that weather. That was just the beginning. Late at night, Rosa claimed she heard heavy footsteps climbing the basement stairs. The door would creak open slowly, but no one would be there. The children began acting differently. They spoke in deep, unfamiliar voices. They growled. One child allegedly walked backward up a wall in front of witnesses. Latoya said the kids would wake up at 3 a.m. every night, shaking and screaming. Bruises appeared on their bodies. Concerned for the children's safety, authorities got involved. Caseworkers from the Indiana Department of Child Services visited the home. One hospital report described a disturbing incident. During an evaluation, Latoya's 9-year-old son allegedly lifted off the floor and slammed into a wall without touching it. A nurse and a DCS worker claimed they saw the boy walk backward up a wall to the ceiling. Police officers who investigated reported malfunctioning, audio recorders, and strange sensations inside the house. The case became so serious that the local police captain referred to it as a demonic haunting. A local Catholic priest performed multiple exorcisms on Latoya Ammons. The family eventually moved out of the house, saying the activity followed them until the final exorcism was completed. The home later became known nationwide as the Demon House. The story gained massive attention when filmmaker Zak Bagans, host of Ghost Adventures, purchased the property in 2014. He documented his experiences in the film Demon House, claiming crew members experienced illness, fear, and unexplained phenomena during filming. In 2016, Zak Bagans demolished the house. Skeptics argue the story was a case of psychological stress, misinterpretation, or even fabrication. Supporters point to official police documents, medical reports, and church involvement as proof something unexplainable occurred. To this day, it remains one of the most debated true hauntings in American history. Some believe it was mass hysteria, others believe something dark once lived in that small house in Gary. If the reports were real, what was climbing those basement stairs at 3 a.m.?